What resources are being used in the air attack on the Pine Mountain? One of the key players in the air attack are the air tankers. These large aircraft carry thousands of gallons of fire retardant, which they strategically drop ahead of the wildfire's path. This retardant slows the fire's advance, creating containment lines that ground teams can then secure. The Pine Mountain wildfire sees multiple air tankers coordinating to cover different sections, ensuring a broad and effective defense from the air. Helicopters are essential for their agility and precision. They carry large buckets or tanks filled with water or retardant and make targeted drops on hotspots that planes can't reach. Beyond dropping water, these helicopters also transport firefighters and equipment to rugged or inaccessible areas around Pine Mountain, accelerating the ground attack and evacuations where needed. Spotter planes play a critical role in directing the air attack efforts. These smaller aircraft fly ahead or above the fire to observe its behavior and spread, relaying real-time information to pilots and incident commanders. This guidance helps air tanker and helicopter pilots optimize their drops, making every gallon count in the battle against the wildfire. Increasingly, drones are integrated into wildfire fighting. Equipped with thermal cameras, drones scout the fire's perimeter and detect hotspots invisible to the naked eye. This technology supplements manned aircraft by offering detailed data that helps in planning airdrops and ground strategies, improving safety and efficiency during the Pine Mountain wildfire response. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.